and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really special box to share with all of you. Everyone watching this, you all are going to get really excited because this one is the Caribbean Krate Snack Box. So let's jump straight into it and don't waste any time. So let's start with the first item. The caramel, the mini tub of caramel. You guys saw me posted this a while back and everyone was asking where they can get it. So now you can get it in this month's snack box crate. So we have that. Next you're going to get a big pack of preserved cherries. And this is the sour cherries. Next we have a packet of jub jub. Next we have a bag of, this one is mild preserved mango. We have a regular rough top. We have a coconut and raisin rough top. You get a pack of Zumas. You get a pack of cheesies. You get a pack of butternut. And in this butternut there are 4 pieces. Yeah, 4 pieces in here. You get a pack of Jumbie animal crackers. It's been a while since I've seen this. You get a pack of red mango. You're gonna get a pack of nibbles. You're gonna get a pack of Shirley. And this is the original Shirley biscuit. You're gonna get a big pack of roasted ground nuts. So we call this pistache in Trinidad. You're going to get a big bottle of Patsy's Crunchy Chana. You're going to get a big bottle of Chilbo. This is a combination of nuts, chana, dal, and fried dal pieces. It's like so good. Here we have a bottle of split chana, salted. And in here, we have 2 Milo and 2 Orchard. So let me just open that up because I want you all to see it. Okay, so 2 Orchard, 2 Milo. And the last item in the box is this family size party pack. And there are 24 pieces in here. And in here, let me tell you what you get. You get ping pong, you get small catch. How many of you out there, comment down below and let me know how many of you prefer the smaller versions of these candies, because I do. The small catch, the small lunch, I prefer the small ones. You get tiki, you get bongo, so there are a couple of bongos in here. You get a couple tiki pieces in here. And you get different flavors in the tiki. So 24 pieces in here along with everything else that I just showed you guys. You all have to stop. Click on the link down below in the description box. It will take you to this snack box. So guys, make sure and go order it. There's limited stock available and you want to make sure you get your order in. So if you all make this purchase, comment down, let me know what you think when you get the box. Thank you all so much for joining me today and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.